To get round someone. Well, the obvious meaning is that you want to get round them because they're in the way. They're blocking you. Oh, maybe they're a bit big and it's a bit hard to get round, to go round. But there's another meaning. To get round someone is also to be sweet and nice to them, so they'll do you a favour or they'll agree with you. Children often try to get round you. They're trying to get round you by doing something nice, saying something nice, being sweet so they can get their own way. But adults do it too. We all do it sometimes. Go on, yeah, go on. I'll help you, yeah. You're really good at that, aren't you? You say to them, stop trying to get round me. You're not going to get round me. Stop it. So, you ever try to get round someone? Do people try to get round you? To learn more phrasal verbs, and not only phrasal verbs, also expressions and collocations and idioms, come and join our Chatterbox Zoom workshops. They take place 3 times a week, and you not only learn new lexical chunks, as we call them, you also get chance to practice them, not just with me, but with international learners from all over the world. They're important for fluency, and by practicing, you get used to using them. It's a far better way than just watching a video or learning them through a book. I highly recommend the Zoom sessions to you. It's the way to go if you really want to improve your English fluency. You'll find a link in the description. Hope you'll join us, and of course, hope to see you there. Bye for now.